real parrot. And also Easter egg. Look at this. It's the parrot's organs. Alright!
What's that? Can you show me? What's that? Okay, very nice. Let's start build it, okay?
I have gotten the set from somewhere, so I decided to get it. This is set 31136 exotic parrot. It comes with 250 free pieces. And let's unbox it. Tap, tap, and open. Tap, tap, and open. Get out! Let's go. Pour it out. My friending. So I think I'm only gonna do one set, which is the exotic parrot. So let's make it. I think we're gonna have to pour all these out. Do we? Yeah, probably. So yes, I know. We're gonna have to open all this out. We need some sorting here. Well, I'm happy it doesn't come with an instruction sheet. No, I mean a sheet of stickers. Oh no. Go ahead. Ra. Đợi.
Không phải từng gói một cho nó dễ.
Okay, what's this piece?
Nào.
Có thể sort nó ra. Okay. Sorting time. Must sort. Sort them out. Sort. So I'm gonna make it. I think I'm done sorting. So let's go. No.
Ở nhà bắt đầu vào Lego thì bắt đầu vào máy này máy hả? Không phải mình đó.
Phải xoay cho đúng nè. Nhìn cái nấc nó đâu? Đây đúng không?
Ừ.
Mình xoay qua cái này nó đang làm để về chứ. Đang về đúng không? Thì đừng có gõ được nè.
I understand. Yeah, let's connect. Vengeance. So guys, I have just completed it. So the last step, boom. Now I'm done. This was a fun set overall. And the details were fantastic. It was a breeze to build. And unfortunately, I'm not gonna review the other set. But this is the only one, because this is the one I really like. So, bye. I could not go outside and play, but I could make this Lego Parrot and also Easter egg. Look at this. It's the parrot's organs. You can see. Is it the parrot's organs? Nice Easter egg. So the set was pretty fun to make. It had building techniques that the wing fell off. Even though you had to build something again and again, it was still fun. Really fun. Hey.
Okay.
And bye. Peace.